Good morning. It's our last day in Rhodes. We're actually right now getting packed up and cleaned up. We just woke up a couple hours ago, been doing downloads. We're enjoying our last time here in our villa here in Greece. This is our view from our balcony, drying our water shoes. We have a little kitty friend here. Hello. Yes. Are you our kitty friend? That's what our morning looks like today. We're gonna get cleaned up and then we're gonna run and get a couple gifts for our dentist friends. Packing up's quite a job. We've gotten most of our suitcases done, at least our personal ones. I don't know how it's coming with me, Lynn, but I got this one done, this one done. We never even opened this one, so that's good. And then we've got 2 more suitcases that we're doing now. Oh, and then we got to get all this stuff to the ferry. So what that looks like is the golf cart guys coming, taking us to the hotel lobby. And then after the lobby, then we have a transfer come and get us from the lobby that takes us to the ferry. And then we have to get through that next part, which is going to be getting our stuff out of the transfer down to the ferry and then through customs. I suggest travel light. Next time we'll probably do our Rhodes part in the beginning because it's hard bringing all of our stuff that we bought in Turkey at all the bazaars for Christmas and just stocking up and then having to, trek it all over Greece. Okay, we're down to the last suitcase. We're getting close to being done. And I like to kind of tidy up as I go. So I've been collecting all of our trash or anything we don't want. Dishes are all ready to go and rinsed off in the sink. Trash is here. Trash is being collected here. These are my things that I will be taking. Christmas food, I'm just gonna leave it there in case the rare chance somebody actually wants to finish the bag. Okay, we're all ready. We got all of our luggage ready to go. Now we're gonna walk down to the pharmacy and I'm gonna get this Greek facial moisturizer that I got samples to. It's really good. And I'm gonna bring it back to our dentist, Salim, or she's the orthodontist. Her name's Salim. The dentist whose root canals he stayed late to do for James so we could go to Rhodes and his wife was really upset. We're gonna bring her some too to just say thank you. We just got here and we're buying our presents here at the pharmacy that we've been eyeing. And I tried myself, so I got myself a little Christmas present here.
So we need to get some gifts for the dentist. And then I bought Chantel this for Christmas in this package here because she is a queen bee.
Yes, and I'm so excited about it. There's a new thing that was announced in the US, a treatment for autism. I think it's called like Lavino or something. Anyways, I'll pull it up when I get back to the room. I didn't bring my phone. You can get a 30-day supply here for like 8 euros. And I think it has to be prescription in the US, but you can pretty much walk in and just get it here in Greece. Stopped by to get our last coffee here. We've been drinking our iced lattes from here. And I got the last of my goodies. They sent me with so many freebies. I got this like towel for the hair and 3 bars of olive soap.
Show them the stamp of the pharmacy.
The pharmacy had it subscribed or stamped with their logo. They're really sweet there. We got our coffees. Now we have about 20 minutes till our golf cart shows up to take all our luggage. That's gonna be some work. Made it back. Now I'm gonna text them and let them know we are ready for our pickup and then we'll go get lunch. Make sure I got nothing else in here. Nope. Turn off lights. Just dropped all my keys off and we're going to go get food while we wait. James, are you gonna bring this stuff in here? Okay, we're on our way to go get some lunch. This is the main boutique hotel and then they have a couple other units around the area. So this is just about a 2-minute walk where we were staying. It's just on the back side of this. What?
I don't think I want to bring my purse around.
Oh, then just go set it in there. So look at all these cats. This is where I would take Lucy out to go potty when she was here with me. Can't wait to see Lucy. I miss her. Great weather today, if you can't tell by everybody's expressions. Hello. Are you a pretty bird? Are you nervous? You want to be on video? No? here. It rained while we were in the pharmacy. I haven't seen it rain once this whole 3 weeks we've been traveling here. This is the first time it's rained. And it happened while we were in the pharmacy for like less than 10 minutes. I've been looking all over this place for apple pie. And the last day, we stopped at 4 different places. The last day I finally get it. And look at how great it looks. This is actually beautiful.
Just feel it. Feel it.
What? You feel what?
Our food's coming next.
Oh, do you feel like this apple pie is going to be amazing?
No, I do feel that too. I mean, look at it. It's apples on top.
Yeah. This is amazing. A+ on the pie. Who wants a bite? Come on, James. Okay, I'm going to get at this. It's raining again. And it gets very slippery, so you have to walk real slow. Were you the one that was loud earlier? Hello, you're so pretty. I like your colors. Bye-bye. I wanted to say bye-bye. Our transfer just got here, and then we're off to the ferry, and we're all wet.
A few moments later.
Okay, time to do all this stuff now. I just got our boarding passes. We have a covered area just in case it starts to pour again while we wait to go through customs. And we're already in line, which is nice. Okay, it looks like we're one of the first ones here. I don't know if that's important to Dad. Are armrests important to you?
No.
Or legroom more important?
Legroom more important.
Very good news, we are moving. I guess because last time we were here we had such bad weather and the ferries actually got canceled. I was slightly concerned when it started raining, and I was like, oh my gosh, we fly out in less than 48 hours. What if our ferry gets canceled? Oh my gosh, it would have messed everything up. So I'm happy to announce we are moving. All has worked out. I didn't want to put that in the air, but it was a little concern of mine.
Began that night without a clue of what's coming next. Was I guided by hands I couldn't see? Was it written somewhere?
We're just about there. We're about to dock. Everybody's starting to stand up. Look at all the suitcases. Ours are piled all the way back there.
Was it written somewhere? Part of a plan.
We have made it back to Fetier. This feels like our home base.
Can you make it make sense? How a heart can...
We are on solid land. We're back in our Fetier home. It's so cute in here. We really like this Airbnb. It's been a great little spot.
Well, we made it back. We already shared that with you, but we went out to have some dinner at this Cajun crispy chicken place, and Lynn put her retainer, or put her Invisalign in a paper towel, forgot about it, went into the trash can. We came back to the restaurant. The restaurant people actually dug in the trash to find it for her. Now, let's hope this is a lesson learned. She does not put it in a napkin, and the dentist told her that because it happens all the time. But we got it back. We're good. Everybody's good now. So I'm gonna finish up work and then hit the sack. And then tomorrow we are going. I got to get some dentist work done. Some caps on my root canals. Chantel's gonna go to the bazaar to get a couple last items. Lynn's gonna do homework, catch up on her homework, do some laundry tomorrow, and just get ready to get to the airport the next day. Good night.